One. Hello everybody, it is Mitchell from Unique in the Creek. I am going to be taking over for Kayla for Kayla'S Korner. I'm going to wait for everyone to start joining before we get into everything. Yeah, I am. We're just going to wait for people to join and then we'll get on our way. Sparkles everywhere. Oh, we got one. Is that you? That's probably you.
No, there's
oh, two. Two people. Three. We'll wait till about maybe like 10 people are here, and then we'll get into it.
No, not the slinky. Ellie dropped my slinky. Can we get it back?
She broke it. Hello everybody, good morning, good morning. Okay, I'll start now. There's about 10 people. People will start trickling in. Hello everybody, Mitchell from Unique in the Creek. Good morning, hello on this happy Friday. I will be taking over for Kayla. She's feeling a little under the weather, so I'm gonna take over for today. I got special guests, including myself. Good morning, Suzanne. Good morning, Sandy. Good morning, Teresa. How are you guys doing today? So I got guests. Today we're going to be going over Jackie's picks for this week. She got a lot of stuff, so we got a lot of stuff to go through. So first, I got my special guest. Come here. It's the baby. And it's not just a baby. It's a 1-year-old baby. It's her birthday today. Oh, and she's so cute. She turned 1 year old today. Hi. Hello, everybody. Say hi. Say hi, Ellie. Hi. Say hi. Happy birthday. Do, 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 do. Yeah, so it's her birthday today. She's turning 1 year old. She's just a little big girl. No, you can't grab that. That's not for you. Okay, now, thank you, Suzanne. Say thank you. Oh, she's just tired. She's tired. She just woke up, so. But it's her birthday. We're going to go over to Nana's today. We're going to do some cake smash, and her birthday party is going to be on Sunday. But her birthday is today, and she will be doing the first item, a cupcake. These are all the items here are around pastel colors. So this cupcake right here with all the sparkles, decorations, candy, it is MN0214M. Oh, it looks like she's already going for the next one, which is another cupcake. This one's blue with the sparkles and decorations. This one's MN0214B. Oh, she's just looking for more. The next one she picked. Oh, Ellie, do you like this one? Thank you, Jackie. Oh, she's just, oh, yes. Oh, you want it? Well, this one, before she takes, is RGE 1049WM. Her next one she got is this blue dot swirls. Thank you, Shirley. Here you go. Ellie won us. This one is RG0130-5EX. Oh, sorry, I forgot you. Oh, you don't want that anymore. You want this one? Another pastel pink? Wow, this one is RY810263. Is there anything else you want, Ellie? Oh, maybe you want this. Oh, no, you dropped it. Hold it up, Ellie. This is Santa's Sweet Shop. Da-da-da. This one is AP8855. It's her birthday. It says she can have whatever. Yes, it's true. Nana says she can have whatever. Okay. She's getting a little antsy, so say bye, Ellie. Maybe you'll see. You guys will see her at the end. She is going to go to mommy. That's her birthday dance. All right, she's going to mommy now. Ready? And oh, there you go. Now you guys just have to deal with boring old me. Next box of goodies. Like I said before, they're all pretty much around pastel colors. Huh. This ribbon looks familiar.
It looks like it's the same thing.
I think these are put into kit ideas. So now it's the Friday dance. Yeah, she is growing so fast. We're happy and sad, but she's already 1 year old. That's crazy. So there's a pastel pink. This one is RG127915.
Is it sparkling?
It is not. It's matte pink pastel.
Jack says yes. I used the same ribbon twice.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Sorry, this was kind of put together real quick for me. So we're all getting through this together. So now we have the pastel sparkly wide stripe, the blue. There's wide stripe, right? It might just be normal stripe. I'm sorry. Pastel blue. It is RE130114. Hi, Mary. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She is adorable. She is beautiful. And she'll be taking over the business soon, TM. So now we have these giant swirls sprays. You can cut them off. You can place them wherever you want. They twist, they twirl, they unravel. I know I would want one. This is XS107127. Now we have another spray and a sign. Our favorites. So we have a spray here of sparkle leaves. Ooh. They're beautiful. They can bend, they twist, but they're all sparkly. This one is XS2339. So everything we are showing you today is going to be in the description with a clickable link. So you can all go straight to whatever I'm showing here and get it instantly. Yeah, great to add a swirl to everything. So last but not least is the sparkly Merry Christmas sign. All the lettering and the embroidery is all sparkle. And then the Merry Christmas in the matte pastel-esque colors. Look at that. You could even just hang it on your wall. Hang it on the front door. Clickable shopping list is in the description. So Lori, my lovable mother, just said that. Get it in the description. Or even go to our app. We love our app. More people go on the app. Good morning, Daddy, with the sweet birthday thing. Yeah, embroidery. Isn't it embroidery? Isn't that a word? That's a word, right?
It is, but I don't think you're using it right.
Am I not? But thank you. I know my daughter is gorgeous. She is the cutest girl in the world. So next we have these sparkle little balls. Put them on anything. Oh, lollipops. They just add anything. You can add any of these sprays or anything like that to any wreath and they would just look beautiful. It's a word for sewing. Yeah, but embroidery can be putting like stuff on different things. So you can embroider things with like diamonds and stuff.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Diamond, no.
What? I tripping? What's the word then? Anyways, this is MN0217. Next, like I said, more pastel colors. It's a pastel week. We have this, looks like it's turquoise-esque wide stripe. Extra large wide stripe foil, sorry. And this is RY8036FF. Embellish. Isn't that like stealing? What?
I think so.
Yeah, embellishing something is like stealing, Mom, isn't it? Who knows? I'm not the expert here. I'm just here to show you these beautiful ribbons. So here's a nice turquoise mint ribbon with snowflakes. It is RGE 1974AB. It's a pastel theme this week. Yes, it is. No. That's a pretty mesh. Yes, it's a gorgeous mesh. We'll show it again. It's even better twice. Look at that. Giant foil. We love a good foil. Who said, oh my God? Stop making fun of me. I'm trying my best. Here we have the pastel pink again, because like I said, we love the pastel colors. Look at that. Royal burlap. Okay, and this one is, like I said before, it's RG 127915. Embellishes to add some embezzlement is steel. Ah! Yes.
I thought you knew this because you watched Suits.
No. And now we have a snowflake. It is a foam snowflake, but it's very pretty, sparkly all over. Very flexible. It could add to pretty much anything. This is XY849014. Yeah, and the royal burlap is available in like probably like a ton of different colors. So now to end that little box of stuff, we have
The snowflake size.
the snowflake size. It does not say it on here, but if I had to say with my eyes, it's a good like 4 inches, 4 by 4, something like that. Around that. 4 or 5 inches, I'd say. Now we have the sign. 8 inches. I was close. I was halfway there. So now we have the Let It Snow sign that is embellished. Did I use that right? It is embellished with different snowflakes and all the sparkling around the lettering. What? Embedded?
Embossed?
Embossed?
Probably embossed.
There's sparkles. The sparkle snowflakes of the Let It Snow sign. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And this sign is AP7807. All right, and into our final box of goodies. I'll fix that later. Our final box of little goodies. We have the light embellish user. Yes. I did it. We have the light blue snow. You laughing at me? Oh, hi.
Do you want to join Daddy?
You want to come up and do the last box? Da da da. And special guest appearance. Ellie, 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 Belly, Ellie, Belly, Ellie, Belly, Ellie, Belly. All right, she has to show you this light blue snowflake sparkle ribbon, and it is RGE 1972H1. Woo, Ellie Bowie, Ellie Bowie, Ellie Bowie, Ellie Bowie. Now, her next ribbon to show, here you go, is a silver sparkle. She's not eating it, I promise. It's a silver sparkle ribbon, sparkly all over. and it is RGC 159626. Ellie loves a sparkle. So everybody, there it is. There it is, Ellie Bowie.
The snowflake velvet comes in different colors.
Really? This one?
Yeah.
Ooh, different colors. Probably comes in like pink and everything like that. It does taste yummy. You guys should buy it. It's a scratch and sniff. Just kidding, by the way. So now we have a light blue polyjute metallic mesh. It is an RY8329W7. Ellie loves mesh. Oh. So like I said, this was RY8329W7. Oh, Smiler. Oh, she kicked off her shoe. Oh no. Oh no. Here, you can sit down right here. She's gonna go play with the mesh. So now we have these little snowflakes. They come in a pack of 10, I believe. And they are XJ416630. They're these sparkly little snowflakes. You can add them to anything. And Ellie's just laying down on the table now. She is the table now. Wait, let's see if I can show. She's like, I'm done. You got enough. You don't pay me enough for this. So now we have the foam snowflake
Pack of
again.
12.
What?
Pack of 12.
Pack of 12, sorry. Now we have a snowflake. She's escaping right now, so her mummy's gonna grab her. So we have the foam snowflakes. They are, I already said it before, I can't even get them in. Oh, there we go. XY849014. Good morning, Michelle Sweet. Now, our last item, but not the least, we have an embellished Let's Go ice skating sign. All the blue is a light blue sparkle that goes all around, all the lettering, everything like that. And it has a real rustic look in the white, so it's perfect for most Christmas wreaths.
This foam snowflake comes in different colors as well.
The foam snowflake comes in different colors.
That's
I think you guys should just get them all. I know I would. So that's all we really have for you today. You really did finish. Yeah, fair enough. Now, it's time to say goodbye. So, hello everybody from the Happy Birthday Girl. She does not want to be on live right now, but I will. Here. We're gonna go. We're doing a happy birthday after this. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go Nana's. So we're gonna go to Nana's. We're gonna go open presents, do cake and stuff. And I hope everyone here has a great Friday. So goodbye for this weekend.
Let's sing happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to Ellie. Happy birthday to Ellie. Happy birthday to Ellie. Happy birthday to Ellie. Woo! Are you one? Yeah! All right. Have a good weekend from my family to yours. I will see you guys soon. Have a good day. Have a good life. We'll see you guys soon. Happy birthday, Eliwanas.